V is for Villanelle. The rule. At my house, it was the rule to do my homework every day when I got home from school. I'd sit upon the kitchen stool and get my homework done right away. At my house, it was the rule. My mother said my mother was not a fool. She caught me if I went to play when I got home from school. She said, "Don't be a stubborn mule. Get busy and don't disobey." At my house, it was the rule. I always thought it would be cool to play like it was Saturday when I got home from school. It may seem strict, but if you study, you'll get good grades, my mom would say. At my house, it was the rule when I got home from school. So in this poem, we have a lot of repetition of when I got home from school. That is the end of most of the stanzas. And then we also have at my house, it was the rule. Here, this line, don't be a stubborn mule, that is a metaphor. So what are they trying to say there? Don't be a stubborn mule. Get busy and don't disobey. So being stubborn is like you're not listening, you're disobeying. So the mom here is telling him you need to listen to my rules and make sure that you're obeying them. So that is the end of today's read aloud. You are now going to move on to your word study.